In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Slides presentation and explore some creative ideas to bring your slides to life. Let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you need to do is go to Google Slides. Open your web browser and type in Google Slides, or you can visit docs.google.com/presentation directly. If you're redirected to the sign-in page, don't worry. This is simply Google making sure you can save and personalize your work with your account. Once you're on the Google Slides page, sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. This allows you to save your work automatically and access it from anywhere, on a different device, or later on. If you don't have a Google account yet, you'll need to create one. It's a simple process, and having an account gives you access to all the tools Google offers. Now that you're signed in, you'll see the Google Slides homepage. Here you'll find a variety of templates. These are great if you have a specific style or theme in mind, but for now, let's start with a blank canvas. Click on Blank Presentation to open a new slide deck. Starting blank gives you the most freedom to design your slides exactly how you want. With your blank presentation open, let's start adding content. One of the most important parts of a slide is, of course, the text. Click to add title and type in your main heading. Make sure it captures the essence of your presentation. Below that, you can add a subtitle like your name, date, or a short description. Beyond text, you can enhance your slides with images and shapes. Google Slides makes it easy to insert photos from your computer or even directly from the web. Just go to Insert, then choose Image or Shape. These elements add visual interest and can make your message much more effective and engaging. Next, let's work on the slide design to make your presentation truly stand out. On the top menu, click Slide, then Change Background. Here, you can choose a solid color, a gradient, or even an image for the background. Keep your visuals consistent with your theme, but make sure they don't overpower your content. Sometimes less is more, especially when it comes to slides. And there you have it. You've now created your very own Google Slides presentation. By following these steps, you've prepared a custom, professional-looking slide deck that's sure to impress. Remember, a great presentation isn't just about the information you share, it's also about how it's presented. Take some time to explore Google Slides, experiment with different designs, fonts, images, and colors, and find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!